How to check account area report in VOS3000. Go to Data Report, then click on Bill Report, then click on Account Area Report, then click on Filter. Now set begin date and end date as you need, then click Filter. Here you can see begin date. Here you can see end date. Note, this is per day consumption record for every client with area name. Here you can see client name. Here you can see account name. Here you can see area prefix. Here you can see area name. Here you can see total charges. Here you can see total duration.